Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now there's going to be a wee bit background noise today because my son's dadding about doing cleaning and tidying up and such like. I'm also watching YouTube videos in the background, so you might hear, at the moment it's the lovely Omnia that's playing. So I've got a rather subtle design today, shall we say. So we're starting off with Model 1's Cocoa Black, and there will be 2 coats per nail. Oops. It's quite cold in here, so polish is a bit gloopy. Can you see that? Hope so.
What the heck is that? Oh, is that a teddy bear? Or a doggy's face?
I love this polish. It's such a good black.
Trip. Trying to figure out what these things are. They're cute. They're super cute. Thank you.
So this one came into my head just because, no particular reason, I don't know where it came from, it just popped into my tiny brain and I really wanted to do it.
Oh, I was gonna order. I wanted these.
I'll probably fast forward because you don't need to see me doing every single nail. So I will fast forward. So I forgot to press record for the first coat, but for my middle finger and my index finger I'm actually using Born Pretty's Deluxe Thermal Gel Series Truth or Lie, which is basically just black. And this is where the magic comes in. Just like any other black, I don't want it too thick. Get second coat on. And get it in the lamp, and then I'll show you what the magic is when it comes back out. So, I don't know if you can notice a wee bit. No, it's pretty cold in here, but I'm going to top coat all the nails and I'll be right back.
Thank you so much, Liz. Guys, if you don't know who Liz is, who are you and why are you my friend? Why are you watching me if you don't know who Liz is? I'm pretty sure everybody knows who Liz is, but if you don't, hey there.
Okay, we're out the lamp, and as you can see, when it heats up we go to a nice nude cream colour, and that's where the secret comes in. Doing that doesn't help because my hands are freezing as always. So let's go on and do the foil, and then we'll do the next bit. So I've buffed the thumb and the ring finger just to take the shiny top coat off, so I've got a matte surface to work with. And I'm going to use this foil gel. This is actually on its last legs. It doesn't work great for foils anymore, so it's alright if I'm just dotting foils on, but for full coverage I'm back using my star glue. So we're going to do the opposite to what's here. So we're going to go from the outside corner to the inside tip, and just a wee random swirly thing, nothing too fancy. And we're going to do the same with the thumb, but go in the other direction. So it's going from the outside corner in. Can you even see what the hell I'm doing? And then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds and I will be right back. Okay, the foil I'm using, once again, is the dual coloured foil from Charlie's. I love this stuff. This, I think, is the 4th time I've used it since I got it. Well, this one and the other one, the rose gold one. And I'm just simply going to pull some bits apart. Nothing difficult, nothing fancy. Just pull some apart and dump it. Oops, I don't think I need quite that much.
And I wouldn't be a brand ambassador for a company that I didn't like just to get free next step? Yeah, that's, seriously, that's not.
I think that would probably be enough, but we'll see. So,
I wouldn't do that.
no, wrong hand for you. Oops. Oh dear, right, I'm going to have to just pick things up from where they've landed.
How are you guys doing today?
And then I'm just going to scatter them along where I've put the foil glue, obviously. It's quite clever that.
It's probably gonna be gone for a couple hours, so I figure, nail videos. Okay, where's my kabuki brush? A big kabuki brush.
How's that look? Too close to the cuticle there, I'll not get top coat around that. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the thumb. I just need to find all the bits of foil that are blue.
Okay, so
I love this foil. I love the effect of it. I think it's so cool.
so you can watch me do this, and then we'll get to the stamping. Okay, so one moment.
Where else? There's a bit. I'm actually wanting a greeny bit. Just when you're finished floating about there. Oh, it's so cool. There is other colours on the website. I've got 2 of them, but there is other colours on the website. I'm going to get them. I didn't realise how much I would actually use this stuff till I got it. And I just love it. So, there we go. I'm going to put the lid back on this before it all goes everywhere. Because as you saw, it doesn't take much. And it just flies away. And I don't want to lose any. And I know it's great prices on Charlie's, but I still don't want to lose any of it. I'm very Scottish in that sense. There we go. You could probably stick big sheets on as well rather than breaking it up like that. You could probably do like big sheets. Like actual big sheets, yeah. If you could manage to get it on your nail without ripping it. That would be cool as well. Right, so let's make sure that they're pressed down and they're not going to go into my top coat. And we'll get these top coated. These will get 2 layers of top coat actually because, well, obviously it's a texture, so I want to make sure that it's covered and smooth. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Might be a wee tad too much top coat there for you. I like to just make sure that I've got it covered at the bottom so it doesn't get caught and peel off. That's why I don't like to put it too close to the cuticle. Oh, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. And there's my door, and I've got wet nails.
Filed. I always file until I feel it and it feels nice and soft. Because otherwise it'll drive me nuts.
And it looks like Jonathan hasn't heard the door. I'll be right back, I'm going to have to go away. There was no one at my front door, it was somebody putting a leaflet through for Slimming World. So I'm going to cure these nails for 60 seconds and I'll be back. And now this is where the hidden magic's going to come in. So because I'm stamping with black, I'm going to put some latex around my nails because I am very messy and black is a nightmare to clean up. So once this is dry, I'll come back. And not before. So, this is dry, it'll peel off no problem. Now because I'm cold, I cannot get the thermal to work. So, we're going to be stamping blind. Oh my goodness, I think I need to get that a wee clean. So, the plate I've got is Born Pretty Floral X44. And I'm going to use this image for both nails, just different parts of that image. Where is is it? Come here. Right, so this one I want to place here. Now you probably can't see that. Well, you can a wee bit. But you'll see it better when I get a cup of hot water, warm water, and sink my fingers into it once I'm finished. So, I'm going to use the same image but a different part of it. This time I want to use this part. Right, let me see what I'm taking off. Right, I'm going to do the same thing, line it up where I want it, which is grown from the tip of the nail. I'm going to hold this a wee bit longer just because I left it a wee while with taking off the stamping on the stamper. There we go. So that's that one done. So I'm going to take my tape off and I'm going to top coat and I'll be right back. So as always, finish off with some cuticle oil. Again, for every service, doesn't matter what it is. Especially when you've got cuticles like mine, which are extremely dry just now. This weather is playing havoc with my pain, with my cuticles, with my skin, and obviously my nails. But hey ho, it can't last forever, eh? Right, now I have my lovely cup of water here, and it's relatively warm. So, you ready for the magic? And there we go. So as soon as my hands heat up, you're going to be able to see those flowers. But once they cool down again, they'll be hidden. And that is the hidden magic. What do you think? Do you like it? I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm thinking about putting a wee gem, maybe about there, but then it'll look just, when it's hidden, it'll look just random. Like there's no purpose to it. So I don't know. We'll see. But that is this mani finished. I hope you like it. I've actually got matching nails for once on both hands. That's really unusual for me. So leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Did you guess what the hidden magic was before you watched the video? Or were you clueless? Okay, a couple of shout outs. I want to shout out, let me think, Sharon over at Sharon's Nails. I will link her somewhere. And also Karina's Nail Designs. I will also link her somewhere. It'll either be in the comments or it'll be in the description box or maybe even a card in the top corner. I don't know. But I will link them somewhere. So please go and check them out. They're very good friends of mine. Talented nail artists. And you will love their work. So, thank you for joining me for a wee while today. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.